Welcome. In front of me is a CROSSCALL Action X3, and today I'll show you how to enable Google Backup. So to get started, make sure you connect it to the Wi-Fi network or some kind of mobile data network. And from there you want to go into the settings, and from settings scroll down to accounts. So right here, and then tap on add account and choose Google. Now once it loads, you'll have the option to log in with an existing one or create a new account if you don't have one already. So to create one, you would just tap here, create account. Otherwise, you can just put in the email address and then go to the next page and put in the password. And from there, once you log in, you will have your account right here. As you can see, mine is right above here, which I previously logged into. And you get basically the access to everything you can sync. So Gmail, Google Fit data, Drive, Docs, Contacts, Calendar, App data, and whatever else is below. And all you really need to do here is select whatever you want to sync between different Google accounts, or between the specific Google accounts on different devices by just checking it on like so, and then it will sync. And if you don't want something to be synced between different devices, all you need to do is just disable it by tapping it off like so. And that is basically it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.